Rust.
Rust.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be one that's related heavily to Minnesota rust, you could say. So we're gonna clean up my mess and Grandpa's mess in the shop, mostly my mess, from assorted projects and such. We're gonna clean all this up nice, and then we'll bring in the Suburban. Currently, it's not good air quality out at all because smoke and stuff from, I think it's Canada wildfires or something. So yeah, we're gonna get to work cleaning this up. Yep. I'm mildly surprised. Remember when we lost that one, was it the 13 millimeter for a little while? I'm pretty sure we found it, it was someone put it in a different kit. Somebody put it in a crafting kit or something. If I'm remembering that correct. I remember we were all so sad that was the first piece we lost. Then we found it. Yeah. Well, we got it in here. So now it's time to inspect the frame. Probably won't use that creeper actually. I think I'll just grab some foam pads to lay on for now. So I got my safety gear for looking under stuff.
Okay.
And my light. Oh.
So the torsion bar hooks to
Yep. Talking about the torsion, like the torsion bar mount, or where it just bolts?
well, where it mounts to the cross member, right?
Yep.
How's that look?
That's all good.
Is there gas line there or not?
Yeah, the fuel filter's right here.
Again, we lifted way up, too far up front.
Yeah, they crushed it in right here.
And they were basically lifting the whole side of the vehicle in that one spot.
Yeah, where'd the chipper hammer go? That's actually part of the actual structural test in like New York and stuff. You know how they have to get inspected? That's part of the test, is hitting the frame with that. Where'd that go? Shortly. Yep. You just want to grab a pan for me quick?
Pan?
Yeah. So you don't have to sweep up as much?
much.
I won't.
It would be free, but
The top side of the frame's good. Top half.
we know. Just tremendous strength in it. Where are the body mounts at on the frame?
There's one right here.
Is that where the customer? The body mounts to the frame. There's one right back for your head.
Yeah, right where my head is actually right where a body.
Another one, how far forward is the other one?
The next one is right here.
Okay. I think on the other side the bolt's broken out here. If I remember right.
You don't need body mounts.
Nope. Not way to hold it down.
Another stuff right
Did
there.
you put something smaller on the end of it, or?
Nah, I'll just like put it over the holes and stuff. That's just stuff for you.
Yeah. I did that a year ago, cleaned out as much as I could.
So I'll update you guys after I finish doing this. What are we doing, Grandpa?
We are putting oil back in the Super Deluxe 5.3 racing engine.
Oh yes. Very, very race car. Wait. Still have to put intake gaskets in it.
202,000 miles on it.
Barely 202,000. Checked the cut open the oil filter with our fancy tool. It's definitely has some miles on that oil. But there isn't too much metal or junk in it. We have some other projects we have to work on. Like the frame. And we're gonna might work on fix that a little bit right there. So yeah, we're gonna do that. We also grease all the front end and stuff. Okie dokie. So we're playing with Grandma doesn't like the rust in the fender, so we're gonna cut it out and then replace it with some sheet metal.
How's it going?
Good.
Look.
That foam was burnt a little bit.
You just take that right out of there, you can. Yeah, that's okay too.
Got a pair of pliers.
Is it burning?
Doesn't look like it.
I'll get pliers. What are you gonna do? You taking that off?
Yeah.
Come.
I want to look back in here.
Oh, well, then it's okay back there.
Well, I'm pretty sure the piece fell back in here.
Oh. Should I get a big magnet? Careful, don't cut yourself.
I'm not gonna cut myself.
Well, you get lockjaw in 2 minutes.
What?
You get lockjaw in 2 minutes.
Lockjaw. You heard it here, folks. You heard it here first, folks. Lockjaw in 2 minutes.
The guy used to play
Chad?
Chance. They were taking the car apart.
We're getting the bus.
There was a Mustang door he was taking apart.
Well, it was right after the bus.
Almost died. I go down far enough. How big a piece went down there?
This chunk right here.
Oh. Then we're gonna have to take that panel off, I suppose.
I don't even know if we can get in there without. I'm taking it off.
Should be able to.
Yeah. You hear it? Hear it in there.
Probably too rusty to hook onto it. But try popping those off.
I don't even think we can get back up on top of those off, but.
Should be able to.
Like gunshots.
You know what?
Yeah, it should be right in here.
Yeah. Get something to push down there. I don't like the magnet. Let me find something else.
I'm still trying to pick it up.
Are you cameraing this?
Yeah?
Oh, no, I moved it.
That's okay. Perfect. Are you over it? What is that? You know those pliers.
Oh,
That's
what did you want?
grab me actually the one that has the hook in it.
Oh,
If I ever need one of those, my grips.
this is smaller gloves.
Not quite yet. Is that even the right piece? Wait, that might not even be the right piece. I don't know. It's perfect. I'll have to stay in there. Unless you want to take the fender off.
No. It should be right down there. Careful. So you don't think it's the one you're pushing down there? Want the light?
Sure.
Top of you. What? Couldn't go anywhere except down because it's all sealed over there, right?
Yeah. Well, if you have a new jank down the road, you know what it is. I'm not giving up easy. I'm making a calculated retreat. I don't feel anything other than just like a wall. Where'd my other glove go? I leave it in here, yep.
What you feel it must be that tin is wedged in there. Oh well.
There you go. There's your rough cutout. It's gonna be sharp and probably hot.
Yeah.
I probably could go farther up with that. I don't really want to try to get any further back though.
Oh, that brush is no good.
This one? Mm-hmm. Yeah, this brush is good. The body filler under the paint and stuff just shoots. Yep, it's gonna be sharp. I'm not worrying about sharpness.
We need a piece of enamel to put under here first, right? On the top of that, on the top of that.
Well, I would just cut it so it fits in here.
So where do we find some enamel? Can't be galvanized.
There should be enough. It's sharper, but I don't know. Okay. Marker.
Careful. It's kind of like contour almost. Or?
It's got some decent bends and stuff in it already.
So is that going to go over far enough?
Yeah, we'll cut it a little bit outside these lines. Do we worry about trying to shift it down at all or no?
Maybe we just put a license plate over it.
I was thinking about that. I didn't think you'd like that though. Over something. This is important, Grandpa. Gotta meet the demands of your wife. That's the wrong way, isn't it?
You make a lot of something well done.
Yeah. Gotta figure out which direction I have it. That's pretty good like that, actually. It's kind of bent the wrong way, but that's okay.
Stand
Oh yeah,
you straighten it.
yeah. Obviously. Well, master note taker.
That should sit on top of it or the bottom of it.
On top. didn't happen to find it, did you? Okay. I don't think you would.
How's it going? Am I okay?
Yeah, appears to be.
Not gonna fall off and cut the tire, right?
No, it won't. So, I don't think you guys will be able to tell whatsoever. There's, like, I don't even, did we even do anything over here?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think we did. It looks exactly the same as this side. If you actually look at it, like, I'll have Dad insert a side-by-side comparison right here of that side compared to that side. It's actually not too far off. So we're gonna do some extremely sophisticated body work in our cab corners. It should be extremely structural.
Did you cut that off or not?
I did cut off. We can grind all this down.
Well, I want to put Bond over tomorrow, so or you are.
Hey, wait, we can get to the top of the inside of the fender in here. See if we can get that one chunk out.
You think so?
Maybe.
Who's got the light?
I don't know. You're the last one to have it. Fell. Oh, I see it.
Your big magnet.
Oh boy. Back down there, Dad. Okay, we'll grab that. Rust. Rejuvenation. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. So, we have our great piece of an old random fender from something in the fender. That'll be, Grandpa wants to bond, he's gonna Bondo it and cover it up. We need rockers on this thing. Might fill that in with some high performance parts. I don't think you could get any better. Oh, we'll shimmy around the backside over here. Oh, think thin. Those are our touch panels that we used, or from that little fender. So there's that corner, and then there's that corner. This one went vertical. Oh, I'm falling. So, it's pretty much perfect. We changed the oil on this, don't even know how many miles were on the oil. This and that. I look like a patriot. An American. I don't know. So, bunch of old license plates. We have a ton of them. These are all aluminum. And we even got out the piece that we dropped here. There's a little piece. This we put in that piece right there. That's painted. And then we put in that piece right there. And then I buffed that, spray painted that because there's a random rust spot up there. The rest is all screwed in. It should be structural enough. Mostly it's just for looks. Grandpa's gonna paint it whatever color he wants to paint it. I bet he's trying to find, Bo's trying to find a color match for this. I don't know. It's up to me. I just spray painted black. Doesn't matter. Just what it is. And thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I'm so ready to go. Woo! Driver's ed.
What are you doing?
I'm recording us cleaning this up, then I'm gonna record us when we bring the. I haven't seen anything. Oh yeah, they sent. Look. Oh, this is still recording.